The most detailed picture showing Michael Jackson's skin disorder vitiligo. Kids learning how to act in case of a chemical attack. Kinesma, Russia, 1999. Davide Cislegi, the Italian inventor testing his single-wheel engine in France, 1933. Pilot's biscuit, the biscuit that survived the sinking of Titanic, became the world's most expensive biscuit. It's been sold for $23,000 in auction. There is a prison hotel in Latvia where guests are treated like convicts and hotel rooms are like prison cells. While going to battle, Rajputs would fashion false trunks for their horses, making them appear to be baby elephants, which the enemy's elephants instinctively would not attack. North Korea built realistic monuments for each soldier who died. In 2017, a flight leaving Shanghai Airport, China, was delayed by 5 hours after an elderly passenger threw coins into their plane engine for good luck. This mall has river in the middle of it and the ceiling is painted like the sky. The reason why your English sounds better in your mind is because mind knows how to pronounce certain words, but your tongue muscle memory doesn't. This is a 550-foot long building with no windows in Lower Manhattan, New York City. If your Amazon product has a barcode starting with LPN, it's a previously returned product. In Finland, there is a resort where you can camp in a glass igloo and lay back and watch the northern lights. The world's tiniest McDonald's is in Sweden, but it's only for bees. Terry Fox was a 21-year-old one-legged cancer patient who ran 3,399 miles across Canada in just 143 days before dying. 1971, a thief broke into a house and was shot in the legs by a trap set by the homeowner. The thief then sued for damages and won. Year 2005, Takeshi's Castle first episode aired in India. Many of us dreamed to participate in this game, but let me tell you that last episode of Takeshi's Castle was aired in 1989. Parle-G is the world's largest selling biscuit. Over 480 million packs of Parle-G are consumed in a day. The Pennsylvania Coal Company mining coup in 1910. "3,000-year-old petroglyph of a man running away from a snake, Tanum, Sweden." If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.